Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to tackle a common issue that many Instagram users face: highlights not working. Don't worry, we have got your back. In this video, we will show you how to fix this problem in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. The first thing you should check is if your Instagram app is up to date. Outdated apps can sometimes cause glitches. So head over to your app store, search for Instagram, and make sure it's updated to the latest version. After you have updated, check for the internet connection. A stable internet connection is essential for Instagram to work correctly. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong mobile data signal. The third thing you can do is restart your device. Sometimes a simple restart can work wonders. Try restarting your smartphone to refresh the system and the Instagram app. If the problem persists, you can try uninstalling Instagram and then reinstalling it. This will give you a fresh start with the app. After doing all these, try to re-add highlights. If your highlights still aren't working, you can try re-adding them. Go to your profile, tap on the plus button under your bio and create a new highlight. Then select the stories you want to include. If none of the previous steps work, it might be more specific issue with your account. In that case, don't hesitate to contact the Instagram support for assistance. And there you have it. Those are the steps to fix highlights not working on Instagram. We hope one of these solutions has solved your problem. Remember, technology can be a little finicky, but with a little patience, most issues can be resolved. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.